Clothes. Common clothing. This is a t-shirt. A blouse. A shirt. A sweater. Socks. Shoes. Jeans. In American English, these are called pants. In British English, they are called trousers. Shorts. A dress. A skirt. A coat. Gloves. A hat. A cap. What are they wearing? He's wearing a shirt, a sweater, pants, socks, and shoes. She's wearing a t-shirt and jeans. She's wearing a hat, a dress, and shoes. He's wearing a coat, a sweater, and pants. She's wearing a blouse, shorts, and shoes. She's wearing a hat, gloves, and a coat. She's wearing a blouse and a skirt. She's wearing a cap, a t-shirt, and jeans. Colors. She's wearing a black t-shirt. She's wearing a white sweater. He's wearing a red coat. She's wearing a purple hat. She's wearing an orange dress. She's wearing a yellow t-shirt. She's wearing a pink skirt. She's wearing a brown sweater. Dark red and light red. Dark green and light green. Dark blue and light blue. Your turn. What are you wearing now?